Hello everyone, today is yet another beautiful day for my journey through Kansai's rich history. This time we're visiting one of Kyoto's most iconic landmarks and a brilliant symbol of the Kitayama culture, Kinkaku-ji, also known as the Golden Pavilion, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Originally, Kinkaku-ji was a private retreat for the shogun Ashikaga Yoshimitsu, but its official name is actually Rokuoni. However, the pavilion's golden brilliance has made it so famous that everyone simply calls it Kinkaku-ji. We've now entered the temple grounds and we're heading to its most celebrated spot. Just ahead lies the Golden Pavilion, a building so breathtaking that it feels like stepping into a dream. Across the tranquil mirror pond, the pavilion stands tall, its shimmering golden facade reflecting perfectly in the water. Unlike most temples in Japan that favor understated dark tones, this structure radiates grandeur and opulence, covered entirely in gold leaf. Under the sunlight, it glows with a dazzling brilliance, creating a visual impact that's truly unforgettable. This high-profile beauty is complemented by its serene surroundings, with the pavilion and the pond forming one of Kyoto's most iconic sceneries. Historically, Japan experienced three major shogunate eras: Kamakura, Muromachi, and Edo. The Muromachi shogunate, led by the Ashikaga clan, was the weakest in terms of centralized power. However, during Ashikaga Yoshimitsu's rule, he achieved significant milestones including the unification of the northern and southern courts and the assertion of centralized authority over powerful feudal lords. Yoshimitsu built the Golden Pavilion as part of his luxurious Kitayama Palace, which later became Rokuonji Temple, blending aristocratic court culture with samurai traditions while incorporating Zen Buddhist influences. The result was the Kitayama culture, and Kinkaku-ji stands as its crowning jewel. But Kinkaku-ji's story isn't all glory. On July 2, 1950, disaster struck when a massive fire consumed the Golden Pavilion. Shockingly, this wasn't an accident, but an act of arson by a novice monk who claimed he was driven by jealousy of its beauty. The incident sparked national outrage in Japan at the time. Standing here today before the reconstructed pavilion, it's impossible not to feel awe at its enduring beauty. The golden structure glimmers in the sunlight, and the phoenix atop the roof seems to tell a tale of fleeting glory, resilience, and timeless allure. Perhaps that's what makes Kinkaku-ji so captivating. It's a monument to fleeting moments of brilliance that leave an eternal mark.
Sorry.
That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.